Alright, today we're finally installing these, made by Crow, personalized by me. Finally got these. These are seat belts that you use for these kind of seats, because if you use your normal seat belt, it's gonna go over this and you have this much gap and it goes over this, so it really not making great contact with you, so it defeats the whole purpose of a seat belt. So it's not gonna act as the way you should. I'm gonna later make a video on that one, how to make your own OEM seat belt that comes with the car. Right there, I opened it up, that's why it looks weird. Use it with these seats, but we'll see. So these called racing harness, they go through these right here, and it's a 4-point for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. You could have a 5-point or 6-point. 5.1 comes out here for crotch area. I can have that too, but I just took it off just because I don't want to use this every single day on my crotch. And then 6-point has 2 coming in the crotch for more comfort. I installed the bar. It's NRG as well. I have to paint it black as though, but as you can see, it's where my seat belt would go. I took everything out. I took this out, I took the seat out, took this out, took my seat belt out completely, but I have it on that side, as you can see. But then again, I don't have the bottom part, so it's just hanging in there, and the top part is not attached there. The harness bar attaches there, so basically it's just hanging there. Here, as you can see, this is for mounting it there, but again, we have the bar, so we don't need it, so we're gonna take it off. Take this off of this, get it there, get it out of here, get this out of here, take that off. Alright, so that's how we put the harness. Alright, now this is the lock mechanism, and this kind of lock mechanism called cam lock. There's buckle styles too, so that goes in there. That hole is to get attached to chassis, but on E36s there is no hole on the chassis unless you make one. But this is cam lock, and you just spin it and it comes off, but it's attached to this side. So this is a driver side harness. There is a difference between driver side harness and passenger side harness. Passenger side harness, this thing is not towards the right side. Towards the right side, it's towards the left side here. So this doesn't just get dangled out here every time you get out of the car. So this goes in there. I'm just gonna mock everything up so you guys get a little bit better understanding of how everything attaches to the car and looks on the seat. So that goes out here, boom. Probably gonna put this here. But my only worry is that side, I don't have a hole like this on the other side. So I might have to do this right here, which is gonna make it very short, but I'm hoping this can take it. I can like make it that short. But yeah, this goes in there, this goes in there, this goes in there, and you're good. The another one goes here. I just took it off because I don't want to run that. Yeah, this is a 4-point harness, and you have the date that it was made and the date till it's certified for SFI Foundation. I don't know what that is, but it's FIA certified and SFI certified. That means this is a professional racing harness. You can compete in races in this. This is certified for that, and certification goes back in 2020 December, as you can see. But the good thing about these, any other brand of harness, you have to buy new ones when they get when the certification ends. I mean, you don't have to, but if you want to compete. And with these, you really don't have to do that, because you can just send them back and be like, recertify my racing harness, racing seat belt, and they just check it out. You ship it to them and they recertify it and ship it back to you. So now I'm just gonna open these holes on each side, do that, and then we're gonna get to these, which is the interesting part, and some people struggle with that. All right. This one in here, I ditched this because the bolt needs to be inside of the car and have enough thread to engage. All right, I managed to get back here, and over there we have the washer and the bolt sandwiching. Actually, no, we have this. So it's the seat, the bracket, our harness, the washer, and the bolt. No, maybe this is not recommended, but this is just a temporary till I do create a mount welded to the bracket there, or probably do some hole, put a hole here or something. I use this as well. So this goes in there. Boom. Don't want it to go too much. According to the, it needs to go, so it goes underneath, up, goes through this, on top of it, boom, then goes one more, so into this, so that's one, then comes back. All right, I got that, and then this goes again on top, this last one, and then comes out back here and then hang out. And they recommended to have 4-inch extra when passes this point. So again, back in there. Boom. Should be solid. This guy. Alright, we got this. And boom, boom. This is how it looks like. This one's on too. I'm gonna ask one of my good friends, old friends. His name is Huriyar. He goes by Harry. Can you record me, bro?
Yeah.
Real quick. Alright. You go sit in there. June. June. Alright. This one needs to be, if you want it stiff, you just pull these hoses down. Oh, sorry. Pull these down. But I just don't like it coming up, so I'm let it go back up a little. Alright. It's not stiff though. I think it needs to be. Oh! Holy shit, bro! This thing, I'm chilling. Skyline, here we come. This thing feels solid, and then you go. Woo. Put these back here. That shit hella sick, bro. Oh yeah. This thing looks sick. What do you think, bro? What the fuck? Come here, come here. Compose. What do you think? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Sit in it. Over your shoulders. With the fucking orange in his hand. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
It's too tight for you.
Yeah.
Here.
Never mind.
It's good. Yeah. Let's get up.
Yeah.
Well, that one needs to go down a little more.
That's fine.
But it's like that.
Yeah.
Fucking lighting's trash. Yeah, I have airbag here. I don't need the airbag. This is because exactly what like he said. Since you have these on your seat, you're not gonna even go up and down at all. So you don't gonna go forward. You don't need airbag here. So when you guys upgrade to these steering wheels, racing steering wheels, you have to have a bucket seat and harness. And for harness, you need the harness bar. I'm gonna paint that black later. But that's it.